Essentials of Data Transmission, Module 5, Transmission Technique. Role of transmission media. Characteristic and quality of data transmission depend on the medium used and signal quality. For guided medium, the medium itself determines the channel communication capacity. For data transmission via unguided medium, the bandwidth produced by an antenna is more important. Key performance is transmission rate and distance reach. Transmission impairments. Received signal could be different than the signal sent. Analog signal, degradation of signal quality. Digital signal, due to bit errors. The cause, attenuation, decrease of power, distortion, waveform change, delay, noise. Transmission quality. Media characteristic that provide the frequency bandwidth. Impairments due to noise, random noise, thermal noise, impulse noise, crosstalk. Systematic, attenuation, delay, jitter. Systematic impairment, attenuation. Signal power decreases according to distance and medium use. Received signal power must be sufficiently strong for detection. Must be stronger than noise for error-free receiving. Attenuation is often depends on frequency. Transmission random impairment, noise. Unwanted additional signal entering during transmission. Common noise signal, thermal, due to thermal agitation of electrons. Normally distributed, hence the name white noise, Gaussian noise. Intermodulation, signal resulted from the addition and difference of original signal sharing the same medium. Transmission random impairment, noise. Crosstalk, signal of a communication line that is received by another communication line that is generally close by. Impulse, irregular pulse, or a signal surge due to sudden change in signal voltage due to electromagnetic interference that is short in time and high amplitude. Data transmission. According to transmission mode, parallel or serial. Serial is divided into asynchronous and synchronous. Transmission methods: simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Physical form: bounded or guided medium, unbounded or unguided medium. In this slide, the process of serial transmission of 8-bit data can be seen. Synchronization. Serial transmissions need timing synchronization. Clock is a component for timing. Synchronization, which is a process that enables and maintains the synchronization of sender and receiver clocks. Synchronization is important if data is transmitted via digital communication line. Synchronization techniques are asynchronous and synchronous. Asynchronous transmission. Information transmission is generally per data unit, 5 till 8 bit. Synchronization and resynchronization is performed using start-stop bit. Timing must be maintained only for each unit data. Start-stop bits is a high overhead, 20% for 8-bit data. Used for terminals that accept text. This slide shows the asynchronous serial transmission process. Synchronous transmission. Information transmission is performed per data block. Control command is embedded in the information block. Low overhead. Complicated synchronization process. First, bit synchronization, then octet or character synchronization, and finally block or frame synchronization. More efficient compared to asynchronous. Bit synchronization. Synchronous transmission sends data block without start or stop bit. Clock must be synchronized using either special path for clock, sufficient for short distance, very sensitive to noise, or embedded clock signal. Example, Manchester coding, carrier frequency, analog. Block synchronization must know the beginning and end of a data block. Preamble and postsamble are usually being used. A number of ASCII, SYN, hexadecimal characters. Flag pattern 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Block pattern all zeros as start of block and 7 ones and 1 0 pattern as end of block. Transmission methods. Simplex is transmission of information to one direction only, such as in television. Half duplex is transmission of information to either direction but only one way at a time. Full duplex is a transmission of information to both directions at the same time, such as in telephone. Spectrum and bandwidth. Spectrum is the range of frequency contained in a signal. Absolute bandwidth defined as the width of a spectrum. Effective bandwidth is often known as just bandwidth, where it is a narrow band of frequencies containing most of the energy. DC component is a zero frequency component. Communication line capacity. Every communication line has certain frequency limit that can be transmitted. The limited bandwidth is due to the capability of the transmitter and transmission media. Bandwidth resulted in the limit of data rate. For data communication, the data rate is measured in bit per second.